At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
Hi, I'm Jason Lursman. I'm in the electrical program here at Vantage Career Center. My home school is Kaleida. I chose to join the electrical class because I believed it would help me furthering my future and careers. I have lots of interest in the trades. Junior, a lot of the times you're going to spend a decent amount of the first half of class in the classroom learning the skills you need so you can put them into practice. So you'll get experience with residential wiring, commercial, you'll get to bend conduit, you'll get to work with motor controls, you'll get basically free reign to try a lot of different stuff to find where you might be most interested in. Senior year, however, is a bit different from that though, because a lot of the time we're at job sites doing the actual working to practice what we learned our junior year in the field. They're helping prepare me for my future because they're giving me opportunities I didn't even know I would have. I would say people who love to think, who like using their hands, because I know a lot of people, they wouldn't want to sit in an office all day. Career is more for people who want to be out there doing the work, doing the actual stuff. A lot of it is like putting together a puzzle in a way, because you have to find out how it all goes together to make it work correctly.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.